What is up, boys? I finally trimmed the fender. I did it like OBS Omar suggested. I took the cutoff wheel and kind of I cut two slits, kind of like I cut a slit like out here and out here, and then I put like 3 more in there and then beat the snot out of it. And I think it worked because a lot of the lip was still like angled to where it was kind of still touching the tire, and basically I bent it all flat. So, but we are heading out to the racetrack, Thunder Valley. Today is Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0's first day, and it's here at our local track. So we're gonna go meet up with James, and he's gonna cruise the Schlongbed out there. That way we can finally cruise our 2 trucks together and go on out to the track and have a nice little family day out there on the, sitting out there in the lawn chairs with the ice chest, and it'll just be real good. Christian's gonna ride with me in the shit box with no AC, and the fucking battery's dead. No, it's not. The key's not there. That's why. If y'all ever wanted to know, that's what the truck will do if you don't have the shit on it. It's not even supposed to do that, but like how it kind of cranked and then didn't. It's weird. It shouldn't do that, but it did. That's okay, because I'm changing that anyway. So I forgot I even had that camera. I forgot it was there. But we got our old surround sound. Woo! High quality audio there. And yeah, we're gonna go meet up with James, get out to the track. Oh, Schlongbed. Alright, boys, we met up with James. Got old Casey fat boy. We're gonna head on out to the store. He gotta get some gas, and we're gonna fill up the ice chest, and then we're out to the track, boys. Let's get to cruising. Alright, boys, so we made it to the track. James was leading and kind of forgot that we needed to go to the store, but we'll get that figured out. I'm pretty sure I'm down a hole about halfway here. Truck started sounding, it just don't sound right, and it's a little weak, doesn't quite have the power. So I think I lost a cylinder. I'm not real sure, but we made it. So if I'm misfiring on one hole, I'm okay with that. Some of y'all try to pull bitches that drive their truck like this the whole time they own it, so I think I'll be all right.
Oh, what?
There's old Ruby. Oh shoot, they brought the Ram they just got. That's cool. But we're gonna get in here, get parked. I'm gonna try to look and see if I can find the melted spark plug wire. I'm assuming that's what it is, because that's what makes sense. It's kind of whack though, because I bought those insulating boots, so I don't know. This truck, it's always something. There's a good day and then it's a bad day right after that. But so I've totally sucked at recording today. About halfway here, kind of seemed like the truck was down a hole. I couldn't tell. It seemed like it was misfiring, because like if it was taking any load, like going up a hill or anything, it's kind of being true duals. You could tell, like it didn't sound. It sounded like I had a completely different grind cam in it, but when we got here, we let it cool off a little bit. I pushed the plugs back on the plug wires. I checked them all. A couple of them clicked when I tried to push them back up on the coils. I don't know. I moved the truck a couple times so we could sit, you know, up by the up by the lanes a little better, and it didn't do it. So I don't know if it was just getting hot or what, but got lucky. So we're walking around checking a couple things. I went and got a little Cletus shirt, got Maddie to sign it for Ashley, since she was here earlier, but she left because she wasn't feeling too good. So hopefully this will help her feel a little better. And, yeah, so we're gonna try to, I think Leroy's in the lanes to do another pass, so I'm gonna try to at least catch that before I go. But yeah. Alright, boys. Well, seems like I've left my running lights on. Damn it. Nope. Well, we made it back to the house, boys. It picked up the misfire again. It idles about 100 RPM high. And you can for sure tell there's like a stutter with it being true dual. Like, it makes it like stupid obvious. You can hear like a stutter in the exhaust note. So that's something to figure out another day. I'll let it sit, cool off, come out here one day and I'll pull those fire boots up and see if I can figure out if one of the spark plug wires is burned. And if that ain't it, then I'll pull the plugs and we'll see which hole's down. Might be maybe one of the coils took a dump. I don't know. Have no idea. But yeah, that's it for this one. The video kind of sucked. Sorry. I did the thing where I forget to record again. So I'll throw it together and try to make it look as good as I can. But other than that, I guess we could say it was a success. We drove, let's see, Thunder Valley's, it's a good like 30 or so miles away from here. Maybe a little more. It's like 11 o'clock at night now, so she did good. Put about just shy of 100 miles on it today, and we're back at the house, so we could say it worked. Yeah. And she gave me something to do next time. I have time. Work on it some more. So that'll be it for this one, guys. Peace out. Be human. My hands are full, so I can't do it. But we'll see you next time.